Hello, Libra. Welcome to Conscious Living, your daily horoscope. Today is February 21st, 2024. Today offers a great opportunity for both singles and couples to enjoy fun activities and perhaps a touch of romance. Engaging in midweek activities like karaoke, mystery games, bowling, or trivia could bring you closer to someone special. With Venus and Mars aligning in your fifth house of true love, the focus is on having fun and building connections in a relaxed setting. If you found this reading insightful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more daily horoscopes tailored to your zodiac sign. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and remember to stay true to yourself. Wishing you a day filled with love, light, and positive energy. Until next time, take care.